Here are 2 easy tips on how you can have a clean smelling bedroom. Open up the curtains and blinds whenever possible throughout the day so you can get that vitamin D and sunlight into your room to prevent mold growth, and it also makes the room cheery and happy. And when the blinds are open up the closet doors, leave them open to get air circulation and sunshine through your closet.
Hey, Crunchy Fried Clean friend. Hope you're doing well. If you want to find out all the cool cleaning tools and gadgets and eco-friendly and minimal waste and organizing awesome things that I love to use in my home and my cleaning business, you can check out my Amazon shop. So go to amazon.com/shop/Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and I have it all organized in folders, and you can see all the cool little gadgets. And I'm also posting lots of Amazon sales and specials. So make sure to subscribe to my Amazon shop, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and you can see all the cool cleaning and organizing things that I love to use. Also, you can check out many of them in action on my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, and on TikTok and Instagram, and on Facebook, and on my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.